Hi, my name is Marquette Shepard, and I'm the author of My Rainy Day Rocket Ship, and I'm going to read this story to you in a few minutes. I'm also going to read you my first book, What is Light? But first, I just wanted to say thank you so much for listening to my story time. I love Chicago. Thank you so much, Chicago Public Library System. You know, there are 3 P's to Chicago that I love very much, and that is the pizza, the popcorn, and most importantly, the people. And that includes you, the little readers and the big readers alike. So without further ado, let's read my latest children's book, My Rainy Day Rocket Ship. It's perfect for stay-at-home adventures. Mom says it's too rainy to go outside today, so I'll have to find my fun another way. I could get in some laughs with inside toys, cars, and games that bring much joy. But I've been there and done that stuff. Today, I'll make something really tough. Like a whole new world in a different place, a galaxy off in outer space. I'll need a rocket to get me there. How about this rocking chair? And I'll need a super launching pad. This will require some tools from Dad. A cardboard box and a bunch of socks. These will surely serve me well. On this mission, I cannot fail. Now, let me see about a spacesuit. These swimming trunks and goggles should do. Of course, astronauts need a flag. Perhaps I can use Mom's old dish rag. Now, if I can just get Mom to turn off the light, this astronaut's crew is ready for flight. Dad does a countdown from behind the couch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mom, make sure I don't feel an ouch. Zoom, 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 all the way from the living room, down the hall, riding on a broom. Prepare for landing on planet XYZ. It's a safe arrival in my BED. Also known as the land of Z's. Looks like this little boy's rainy day rocket ship adventure put him sound asleep in his bed. Now, you can make your own rainy day rocket ship at home with things that you can find around your house, including some snorkeling goggles or swimming goggles if you have them. And how about a cardboard box full of socks? Clean ones, of course. You don't want to use the socks that you just wore yesterday. My Rainy Day Rocket Ship was illustrated by Charlie Palmer. Don't you love what he did? Rocket ship and all of the rich colors. And again, it was written by me, Marquette Shepard. Now I want to read you my debut book, What is Light? What is Light is my love letter to children all over the world. And I'll tell you why at the end of this story. What is light? Light can be many things, such as the brightness our sun brings, the twinkle of a faraway star, the buzzing of a firefly captured in a jar, and then that feeling when you let it go, that spark in your eyes is like a glow. A bright green leaf floating in the wind. The smile on your face when you see a friend. Oh, light can be so many things. A mother's love. A turtle dove. A colorful butterfly flapping its wings. What is the light that can be seen around you? It can be found in everything that you do. And especially inside of you. The end. What is Light was illustrated by Kathy Ann Johnson and of course written by me. I wrote What is Light because I want children all around the world to know you have a light inside of you. Let your light shine. As you grow up, don't let anyone dim your light. You have a right to shine bright in all the talents that you possess. There's a famous saying, use the talents you possess, for the woods would be very silent if no birds sang except the very best. So if you're working towards getting good at something, you shine your light as bright as you can. It doesn't matter if you haven't reached your goal yet. You're trying, so you deserve to shine your light. And that's what is Light is all about. Thank you for listening to my story time. Once again, I'm Marquette Shepherd, and I enjoyed reading to you.